Hey there, Fit Fam! If you're focused on strength, energy, and staying lean, it's time to talk about dairy. But not just any dairy. Let's get into the 6 low-sugar dairy foods that dietitians swear by. So many dairy products out there are loaded with added sugar. Hello, flavored yogurts and fancy coffee drinks, I see you. But the truth is, you can still enjoy all the benefits of dairy, like protein, calcium, and vitamin D without the sugar crash. The secret? Go for the unsweetened, nutrient-packed options. Let's kick things off with my personal favorite, plain Greek yogurt. This powerhouse gives you 15 grams of protein per serving, plus probiotics for your gut. Skip the sugar-laden fruit flavors and top it with berries or chia seeds instead. It's perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or even as a creamy base for dips. Next up, kefir. Think of kefir as a tangy, drinkable yogurt with a probiotic punch. 1 cup delivers around 10 grams of protein and a whole lot of gut-friendly bacteria. It's awesome for your digestion and even has anti-inflammatory benefits. I love it as a quick snack or blended into smoothies. Now, cottage cheese deserves way more hype. It's low in sugar, high in protein, 24 grams per cup. I'm obsessed with how filling it is. Whether you're scooping it onto rice cakes or mixing it with pineapple, it keeps you full and helps maintain muscle. Don't sleep on classic milk. 1% milk strikes a great balance with 8 grams of protein and only naturally occurring lactose. No added sugars here. It's simple, versatile, and perfect for coffee, smoothies, or just a glass on its own. If you love creamy textures, ricotta cheese is your friend. With only 6 grams of sugar and 12 grams of protein per half cup, it's great in everything from high-protein pancakes to savory pasta bakes. Finally, let's give it up for hard cheeses like cheddar and Parmesan. Thanks to the aging process, they're super low in sugar but still rich in protein and calcium. Sprinkle them over salads or enjoy a little as a snack for a savory boost. Here's the bottom line. Plain low-sugar dairy is a game changer for women who want strength, better recovery, and less added sugar in their diet. Unless you're allergic or lactose intolerant, these foods can seriously level up your meals. So next time you hit the grocery store, reach for these 6 picks and treat your body to all the goodness, minus the sugar rush. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.